Lady in white.
Men in white.
तो अभी हम बढ़ रहे हैं सीलिंग की तरफ और फॉरम शाह की पहली
ये क्या तू ऐसा
केवल-
हिंदी में क्यों बात कर रहा है?
केवल पहली बार
ये ऐसा लग रहा है कि फोर्स्ड हिंदी में बात कर रहा है।
फोर्स हिंदी नहीं, एकदम शुद्ध हिंदी है। केवल पहली बार हम लिंक रोड नहीं, सॉरी, सीलिंग से हम जाने वाले। फॉरम शाह पहली बार सीलिंग के ऊपर गाड़ी चलाने वाली है। चलाएगी, उड़ाएगी, दौड़ाएगी, उसके ऊपर है। बट फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस आपको देखने मिलेगा। स्टे ट्यून्ड ऑन कारी दबारी।
कारी तो भारी, it is my channel, this is not your channel.
कारी दबारी। What do you guys think? मुझे मेरा चैनल चालू करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए? Let me know in the comments below.
कारी तो भारी,
कारी द कलाकारी, I don't know.
कलमकारी।
She
It feels you're the only one. कहाँ जाओ?
तेरा फास्टैग है क्या?
पता नहीं। फास्टैग है? ओके ओके, ठीक है ठीक है।
तेरे फास्टैग में पैसा कौन डाला?
मेरी मम्मी का अकाउंट है।
अब हम सीलिंग
Guys,
करते
this
हैं।
is the first time I am driving on a ceiling and I'm scared. मेरे में अब तक कभी भी हिम्मत नहीं हुई थी and okay, I'm doing this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this well with a lot of patience and I'm gonna be calm. So yeah. Good luck to me.
Just see while you are changing the lane.
I think I'll stick to one way. Here it is.
But I never felt the feeling of driving. Oh god, it feels good.
Doing new things. Conquering fears. How do you feel?
I am very comfortable with your drive.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm very confident.
Great.
You can take us to Goa also.
I can actually.
Yeah, घाट में ऐसा कुछ इतना बड़ा डील नहीं रहता। एक प्लेन पकड़ के रूल्स फॉलो करने का बस, है ना? निकलते शाम को।
I want to do one Mumbai Goa
You will
driving.
maybe next month. Maybe on 27th of April.
Let's see. Yay, we've done it. I think ceiling is almost done.
Yeah. Still above water though.
Mad, don't tell me that, yaar. It says 30. How am I supposed to?
Because turns are coming, no? That's why.
बड़ा कम रखे। ओहो फॉरम, सीधा वर्ली पहुंचा दिया। क्या बात है? मुझे पानी देख के डर लग रहा है नीचे। कायाकिंग करना।
It was a very sharp turn, huh? This one. मेरे को बहुत ये यहाँ पे हुआ
क्या हुआ?
turning के टाइम पे।
क्या हुआ?
अरे वो होता है टर्न लेते टाइम, मतलब I had to put on ये what do we say, pressure and
Northern Triangle to start my march. Inside the money for the cross retracement to pull the rest of the floor.
Hi guys, we are at the Derby right now and we're here to watch the race. This is the second time here that I'm coming here and this time I'm here with Kingfisher and I'm so excited because I just love watching this and I love this entire experience. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun. I think you're right in my face. Like
No, it's quite wide.
Also, I've got like a customized mask from Kingfisher that I'm gonna
Yeah, I would like that.
chocolate.
Hold
sea
that
salt.
thought for this.
I think we'll have one. Cheers. We're gonna have fun. I think there's another race. Oh yeah, there's another race starting. I can see all the horses coming in, and I am thinking if me and Sagar should bet internally. What do you
Akshay
think?
Kumar.
Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar is number 8. Oh, number 8 has always been the lucky number, at least for us. I like this horse which is called Rasputin. He came 5th in the last race. So let's see. There's Akshay Kumar and there's Rasputin.
अक्षय कुमार के सामने कुछ चांस ही नहीं है। खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी।
Rasputin, lover of the Russian king.
राष्ट्रपति वर्सेस खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी।
Let's see who wins.
What are you doing?
Medicines. Can't skip my meds. Wait, I'll show you a new way to have medicines.
The Korean way to have meds, the K-drama way you were saying.
Wait. Okay, so this is the way I learned a bit. When I was watching one of the K-dramas, you have to
Drink the water, then put the...
and a pee. Wait, you have to
नहीं आता
first
इसको,
drink
ये तो
water.
इंडियन ही है.
You have to first drink water, keep it in your mouth, and then put in the medicine. That way you don't get the taste of the medicine. I'm gonna show it to you now. Done. I like this new way of having medicines.
They're ready for the race.
Get to back in the away in racing
And
from
it's
the
on.
metric mile from the economic no. Elephant is the new leader. Bahama 2 lengths in front of off the turn from the outside is Rasputin. A length and a half away, there we go.
Rasputin is winning. It is ahead of Akshay Kumar.
अरे अक्षय कुमार पहुंच गया भाई. इधर खड़ा है वो कब से, दिख रहा नहीं है.
It's there, it's there.
I know. Go on Akshay. Fuck, अक्षय जीत गया. अक्षय जीत गया. अक्षय जीत गया. नहीं जीता क्या? I think अक्षय कुमार जीत गया.
नहीं जीता, नहीं.
खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी is back.
No, but there were a lot of Akshay supporters.
Akshay.
What is all this? I don't
She doesn't know हम हैं सीधे साधे अक्षय. Are you a 90s kid or not?
I am a 95.
या मतलब वो 90s में नहीं आता actually.
Shut
Number
up.
1 on fire. Second.
अक्षय कुमार
Number 3.
अक्षय कुमार जीता.
अक्षय कुमार जीता.
Guys, okay, we are going to bet for real now. There was this lady here, she was explaining me how this thing works, betting वगैरह कैसे होता है यहाँ पे. I've never bet on a horse
she's
before.
actually a ticketing person.
Ticketing person,
We
yeah.
asked her कैसे how this thing exactly works.
Yeah.
Okay, बोली कि she'll help us out to place the first bet.
And yeah, so we are excited because इससे पहले वाले रेस में we did our bet internally जिसमें सागर won, and Sagar is confident कि
Yeah.
he'll win in this race
I
too.
think I'm lucky today.
Yeah, maybe because you have me. Oh, he's laughing. He's such a mean person.
वो आ रही.
Lady luck. Anyway, wait for it. It's a 6 days and we're gonna bet. We're gonna see किस पे.
We're gonna bet
There's
100
Taimur.
bucks.
There's Taimur. So I think Taimur पे शायद से
We
मैं
are going
bet
to bet
करूँगी.
$100 and we will see
कितना
where we
होता है?
land. Yes.
Yeah. Wish me luck. Guys, we are at Gallops right now and we're gonna do our classic cheers and then we're gonna take a boomerang. So first I think we'll do it for the vlog. Cheers. Just look in the camera.
I'm not in the camera.
Cheers.
एक मिनट रुक.
क्या? Cheers.
दिन में तो मेरा शक्ल भी देखी.
But you're looking cute. Oh, we're still recording. Are you having fun?
Yes. It's a good beer. Kingfisher Ultra for life.
You are ditching Budweiser.
Budweiser for life. Kingfisher Ultra today. It's a good restaurant with a good view of horses running.
Yeah, we just saw so many horses running from
Yeah,
outside.
एक सेकंड के लिए ट्रेन जा रहा है, but नहीं horses जा रहे हैं. पता ना वो ट्रेन जा रहा है बाकी.
Okay, guys, we did not get a chance to bet because we came back at Gallops and then the race is done. So I'm quite sad because we wanted to really bet and unfortunately we could not. So maybe next time. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna come here a lot more times because I just enjoy this so much. Like this entire vibe of the race course. I enjoy a lot. So I'm gonna come here next time. And now we're gonna leave. So I'm gonna head home. Bye. Oh, just by the way, Caleb is such a pretty place. I mean, look at the vibe of this place. I don't know if GoPro covers the aesthetics of this place really well, but I'm going to leave some videos that I shot on my phone. And also about this lamp, that lamp is so beautiful. I love it. And even the clock, like the clock, look at it, it looks so vintagey. And Sagar and I were just discussing ki, you know how this place is like decades and decades old, okay? So we were just discussing कि यहाँ पे पहले कौन आया रहेगा at the same place that we are sitting right now, and you know, it just makes you wonder sometimes. And I am a hardcore person who would want to live in the 90s and the 80s, and I would want to experience that vibe, the 80s 90s restaurant vibe, Mumbai vibe, all that thing. And I just love it so much. Like, I keep thinking and I keep going back into that zone, and I forgot to live in the present moment. Like, this is 2021, but then I imagine how this place was back in the 90s and the 80s, and when we were not even born. So Sagar and I were just discussing about those things, and it's just so fascinating. Yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about that. So, you know, when you visit certain places which are decades and decades old, you just wonder who were the people who were sitting here, what was their relationship like, what were they like. You know, maybe it could be our parents, maybe it could be someone who we knew. And when you actually go thinking about it, like deep thinking usme, it just blows your mind. So don't do that like I do. I am a overthinker and I do that a lot, but I don't want any of you to do that. But yeah, it's just really fascinating. So thinking about it just makes me like blush. Anyway, we are gonna head out now, and yeah, we don't know what the plan for the day is. It's a Sunday, so probably we're gonna chill. I'm gonna go home, maybe chill with my mom and my brother, watch some K-drama maybe. Let's see. Dude, it's beautiful driving here. Yeah. It's amazing.
Fuck.
Done! We're back at the ceiling. Yay! Now play some good music.
It's a good music.
I didn't know I was going to change the song. Please, fat quick.